Hey guys, I'm Rick Rodriguez from CAO. Today I'm smoking the Brazilia. The CAO World line represents to us a vehicle to offer and showcase unique tobaccos from around the world. Brazilia is the first CAO World line cigar. CAO was the first manufacturer to offer a wrapper from Brazilia, blended with Nicaraguan binder and all Nicaraguan filler. So when you light your cigar up, what you're going to notice is going to be some spice, but it's going to open up some great flavors of chocolate, dark chocolate, and coffee. So if you're looking for a full body cigar, I would recommend you seeking out the CAO Brazilia, and you can find that at SiriusCigars.com.